In today's video, you'll learn how to record overpayments and supplier refunds in Xero step by step. If you ever pay more than required or receive money back from a supplier, it's important to record it correctly to keep your accounts clean and accurate. Let's get started. First, log into your Xero account and go to your dashboard. From here, locate your bank account and click on the Reconcile button. This will take you to the reconciliation screen where all your bank transactions are waiting to be matched. Now look through the list of transactions and identify the one that represents an overpayment or a supplier refund. This usually happens when the amount paid is more than the actual bill or when a supplier sends money back to your account. Once you find the transaction, click on Add Details or Find and Match, depending on how it appears. If it's an overpayment, you'll typically choose to create or assign it properly rather than matching it directly to a bill. For an overpayment, select the correct contact, which is your supplier, and then make sure you choose the appropriate option to record it as an overpayment. Xero allows you to treat this extra amount separately so it can be applied to future bills later. Next, enter the correct details such as the total amount, date, and a clear description. This helps you track the transaction later and keeps your records easy to understand. Once everything is filled in, click OK or Save, and Xero will record the overpayment properly in your system. Now let's talk about supplier refunds. If a supplier sends you money back, you'll also see this as a transaction in your bank feed. Again, go to the Reconcile screen and locate that refund transaction. Click on Add Details, then enter the supplier's name and select the appropriate account. In most cases, you'll assign it against the same account used for the original expense or overpayment. Make sure the amount, date, and reference details are accurate. This ensures that your records clearly reflect that money has been returned to your business. After reviewing everything, click Save to complete the process. One important tip is always to double-check your entries before saving. Mistakes in overpayments or refunds can affect your reports and reconciliation later on. Also, if you previously recorded an overpayment, you can apply that credit to future bills from the same supplier. This helps keep everything balanced and avoids duplicate payments. Handling overpayments and refunds properly gives you a clearer financial picture and prevents confusion when reviewing your accounts. And that's how you record overpayments and supplier refunds in Xero. It's a simple process once you understand it, and it helps keep your financial records accurate and organized. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.